Hello friends and welcome. I am Sandeep Paul. I am today going to start the series of set video with some important and useful laws of sets. Laws of sets. Here are basically 6 important laws of sets. Those are: first, idempotent law. Second, identity law. Third, it's commutative law. Fourth is associative law. Fifth is the distributive law. And the sixth one is De Morgan's law. So let's see what is important in idempotent law. In idempotent law, let's say A is a set, then A union A is equal to A, and again A intersection A equal to A. This is idempotent law. I hope you have know that what is this operator and what is the intersection operator, and if you want to know, you can visit my previous post in video or in blogs. Okay, so then identity law. In identity law, let take A is a subset of universal set U, then A union null set equals to always A, and A intersection universal set equals to A is always. Okay, you have to mug up all these laws in laws of sets. Okay, then commutative law. In commutative laws, for any two sets A and B, now take A and B. In commutative law, A for any two sets A and B, A union B equals to B union A, and A intersection B equals to B intersection A always. Okay. Due to space limitation, I am going to remove these three laws details. Now move to associative laws. In associative laws, let take A, B and C, three sets, then A union B intersection C equals to union C equals to A union in bracket B union C. On the same hand, if A intersection B intersection C equals to A intersection B intersection C. This is for associative laws. Okay, now comes to distributive laws. In distributive law, again, if A, B and C are three sets, then A union B intersection C equals to A union B intersection A union C. On the other hand, if A intersection B union C, then A intersection B, sorry, A intersection B union A intersection C, right? I am going to rub these two laws definitions. Now De Morgan's law, it is important law. According to De Morgan's laws, let A and B two sets, then A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. On the other hand, A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement. Okay, this is the De Morgan's law. Okay, now let's move. Okay, fine. So these are the 6 important laws of set: idempotent law, identity law, commutative law, associative law, distributive law, and De Morgan's law. Okay, yeah. As we have already knows the 6 laws of sets, now I am going to prove the De Morgan's law. In De Morgan's laws, we know one is A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement, and the second one is A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement, right? Now I am going to prove that De Morgan's law. Let take a set A equals to, the elements of sets are 1, 3, 5. Let's take another set B. Elements of B are 3, 5, 7, 9, and the third set is C. No, in universal set there is no need of third set, and this set AB are under the universal set U. Take another sets also if you are going to prove the commutative laws or distributive laws also. C equals to 2, 6, 8, 9, and these 3 sets under the universal set U, those are then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's start to prove with this one. Okay, here we have the first one is A union B complement. So first say we have to define A union B. In A union B means these sets and these sets, then that's mean 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, then complement of this set, that's mean A union B complement equals to under this set it means 2 6 and 8, right? Now first take A complement. A complement, that's mean A and the universal set, that's mean 2, then 6 7 8 9, 6 7 8 9. Then B complement, it is B, that's mean 1 2 6 and 8. Then according to this, therefore A complement intersection B complement equals to, it is intersection, that's mean then it will come 2 2 6 8. See, that's mean A union B complement, this is 2 6 8 equals to A complement intersection B complement equals to 2 6 8. Hence it is proved. Now we are going to prove the second one. In second one, A first take with A intersection B. A intersection B, that's mean it is A and B, that's mean it will come 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Therefore A intersection B complement equals to, except 3 5 all the elements, that's it, 1 2 6 7 8 and 9. 1 2 6 7 8 and 9. And A complement, and already we have defined A complement and B complement. Now we just have to define A complement intersection B complements. That's mean it's equals to, we have already defined it, then we have to make the union of these two. Okay, then union means we have to 1 2 6 7 8 9. See, both are proved. Therefore A union B complement, A intersection B complement equals to this, and A equals to A complement union B complement equals to this. Hence it's proved. In the same way, you can prove the other laws of like commutative laws, distributive laws of sets also. Okay, you can take the same elements if you want, A B C, and under the universal set U. Okay, yeah.